Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe. We're cooking some cabbage burgers. They're super easy to make, delicious and fast. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. We'll need 700 grams of cabbage, which we'll cut into fourths, and let's prepare the boiling water with some salt. Let's boil the cabbage. After boiling for 3-4 minutes, let's drain it and cut it into little pieces. Let's cut onion into little squares and fry it with some oil in a very hot pan until it's golden brown. Now let's grate 50 grams of cheese, and in a big bowl let's add the cabbage with the onions, the cheese, and let's crack 1 egg with some salt and pepper. Also, we have to add 5 tablespoons of flour, and let's mix it all together. You can use a spoon or your hands. Before using your hands, add some water so it does not stick. Now let's fry it with a bit of oil in a hot pan. Flip them over until it's golden brown. When they're all done, let's plate them. You can add some yogurt, you can eat it with some mayonnaise, or any sauce you would like. The recipe is super easy, delicious, and also a fast snack to make, and healthy. So if you like this video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.